What's going on, people? What's going on? Where are we? We are here at a designer store. This is a place where designers come in to buy stuff, flooring, mirrors, um, stuff to put on your walls, curtains, anything for your bathroom, whatever you want to think about for your house to make it prettier. This is where they come. And we are here when my baby's here. Why are we here today? If you've been here for a minute, you know I talk a lot about social experiences for dogs. And in the summer, this is crucial, right? It's super hot outside, and this is a big store. And there's air conditioning in here. Everything is secure. So this is where I come to walk my dogs, to do a little bit of training, proof training, all that good stuff in here, in the air conditioning, in a secure scenario. So wherever you are here in the US, you can always find a place like this. There's Lowe's, there's Home Depot, and there's plenty of other stores like this that will allow you to come in with your dog so you can walk around, see stuff, and do a little bit of training with your dogs. That way you don't have to have your dog locked inside the house throughout the summer, and you don't have to worry about that stuff. This is clean, nice, and it's a perfect place to train. I always tell people that the best training center is out here in the real world. This is where you get to present your dog with good experiences, with real world experiences, right? And I can park them in somewhere in here, put them at town. I'll do this in a bit, but I'm walking around to get them used to the place. This is the second time I come here, and look at them. They're doing just fine. To be creative, right? When the heat comes, especially here in Texas, it's super hot. So you have to find ways to exercise your dog, to take your dogs out, to keep them mentally stimulated in scenarios that are secure and good for them, especially with air conditioning. This is what they need in the heat. But look, the same demeanor as you see them out, you'll see them here. And let's just do something else here. Emma, down. People, down. So I can put them in a down, I can park them here, and I can look at stuff, look around, look at all that beautiful stuff that's in here, and I can give them a chance to rest a little bit and just watch. See, this is simple stuff, but this makes all the difference in the world in the long run. Time every week to do something like this with your dogs, they're going to be very much used to this thing. So you can go to places like, I could be a designer, I could be here buying stuff for a project of mine, and I could have dogs, and my dogs wouldn't have to be locked up in my house. They could come with me, sit here and wait while I do my shopping. Isn't that wonderful? The more you do this, the more familiar your dogs are going to be with situations like this. See, I dropped the leash. Like I said, this is the second time I've been here. So all they have to do is wait. I never go too far. I'm always in the radius of them so they can see me. But they know if I drop the leash and I don't say anything, they have to wait. And this is one piece of the puzzle that a lot of people don't know how to do, but this is what allows these dogs to come here with me to every store, everywhere that I go. So keep that in mind. In the summer, go inside places with air conditioning, social places where your dog can still experience the social setting, but in a cooler way. We're out of the store now. We did a little bit of training, a little bit of walking. In places like that, you can spend about 30 to 40 minutes if you like. You can do drills like down stays, recalls, heel, all that training stuff you can do inside the store, and then come back out, get the dogs in the car, and head back home. This is a perfect training scenario. It's free. You can go whenever you want. And on top of all that, it gives your dog that social experience, that piece of the puzzle that stimulates their mind and keeps them engaged in the concept of training in general. So use the places around you. They're there for you.